Okay, so the story goes, it's not that much of a story, but when I was a kid, I took forever to learn how to talk. Or, like, I knew how to talk, I just chose not to
Oh yeah.
because I was better off without words. But I had two words that I would use regularly. One was blueberry,
Blueberry?
which is blueberry,
Yep.
and the other one was patty. I'd be
Patty?
like, patty, which is avocado. That's kind of beautiful.
Yeah.
The colors.
Absolutely obsidian though.
That's
I don't know if you
okay.
got much free words in.
No, that's so okay. The package ones, they also
They're
have
pretty soft
syphilis.
actually. Oh. Don't we all?
Yeah, I agree.
Should I get these?
Yeah, I like these.
Alright.
Oui, Madame Rosen, bonjour, c'est le docteur Taillé. Je vous appelle parce que je viens de recevoir les résultats de votre prise de sang. Enfin, une partie en tout cas, j'ai pas encore tout reçu, notamment pour les facteurs de coagulation, où là ça va prendre un peu plus de temps, mais en tout cas déjà sur ce que j'ai reçu, on a une carence en fer là avec une anémie, hein, l'hémoglobine qui est en dessous là des 12 grammes et la ferritine à 7. Donc ça, il va falloir qu'on fasse un...